Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share a super easy to follow multigrain bread recipe with a bread machine. My recipe is based on the ones in the instruction manual, but with tweaks from my own experience. I'm making a 2-pound bread. Measure 340 milliliters of water or 340 grams. About this much butter, a little more or less shouldn't matter. Total of 500 grams of flours. Bread flour 350 grams, or you can use all-purpose. I'm using organic unbleached bread flour. 50 grams of steel-cut oats, 50 grams of corn flour, 50 grams of quinoa flour. You can add other flours, such as rye, brown rice, roughly 50 grams each, a little under 50 grams for the chunkier ones. Then make up the total weight of 500 grams with bread flour. If you like raisins, add some with the dry ingredients. A small spoon of table salt, 2 big spoons of sugar, 1.5 spoons of yeast. Install the container into the machine. Choose 5, which is all wheat bread option in the instruction manual. Choose dark color. 900 grams as weight, which is 2 pounds. Close the lid and press start. Because I put wet ingredients first, dry ones can't fly out in the initial mixing. Slowly, a dough ball is forming. After 2 fermentation stages, wet the top. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. If you like other crushed nuts as topping, now is the time. This is the beginning of baking stage. This is the end of baking and into warming stage. Flip the container upside down and the bread will fall out. Slice and serve. I hope you have a nice appetite. Please subscribe, like, if you want to see more.